Foundations of HR Technology. Introduction to the module. Foundations of HR Technology lay the groundwork for transforming HR operations through digital systems that enhance efficiency and strategic decision-making. With advancements in automation, AI, and data analytics, HR technology is more critical than ever in helping organizations stay competitive and compliant. This module covers key HR technology concepts, including HRIS, HCM, and ATS, while also addressing data security and the role of technology in meeting UK compliance standards, such as GDPR. By understanding the types of HR software available and how to select the right system, you will gain insights into how HR technology supports organizational growth and workforce development. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the fundamental role of HR technology in modern HR operations, explore the key types of HR software, including HRIS, HCM, ATS, and payroll systems, identify the benefits of automation, AI, and analytics in HR processes, analyze internal considerations when selecting an HR system for your organization, learn about HR data management and security in compliance with GDPR and UK laws. Introduction to HR technology. HR technology plays an indispensable role in modern HR operations, transforming how organizations manage their workforce and streamline processes. It includes various digital tools designed to enhance the efficiency and strategic capabilities of HR departments. Over the last 2 decades, the landscape has evolved from basic record-keeping systems to advanced software handling recruitment, employee engagement, payroll, and performance management. Key terms in HR technology. Several terms have become commonplace in HR technology. HRIS, Human Resources Information System, refers to software used for collecting, storing, and managing employee data. HCM, Human Capital Management, expands this concept by integrating strategic aspects like talent acquisition and employee performance. ATS, Applicant Tracking System, is specifically designed to streamline recruitment and track candidates throughout the hiring process. Current trends in HR technology focus on automation, artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics. Automation helps reduce repetitive tasks such as payroll and scheduling, enabling HR professionals to concentrate on strategic initiatives. AI tools enhance recruitment efforts by screening candidates and predicting their suitability for specific roles. Moreover, HR analytics provides organizations with insights to make data-driven decisions regarding hiring, retention, and employee engagement. In the UK, these technologies comply with data protection standards, particularly in the context of GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, which governs how employee data is processed and stored. Why you may need an HR system. Organizations of all sizes often grapple with increasingly complex HR tasks, highlighting the necessity of an HR system. Such systems centralize critical employee data, automate routine tasks, and provide strategic insights, leading to informed decisions and improved organizational performance. They are essential platforms that support compliance, enhance communication, and foster employee satisfaction. One of the significant benefits of implementing an HR system is the streamlining of processes. Traditional, manual methods for handling payroll, leave management, and recruitment are error-prone and time-consuming. An HR system automates these functions, significantly reducing human error and saving valuable time for HR professionals. In the UK, compliance with employment laws like the Employment Rights Act 1996 and working time regulations is crucial, and automation ensures legal requirements are met consistently. Moreover, HR systems enhance employee engagement through self-service portals, empowering staff to manage leave requests, access payslips, and update personal details. Advanced HR systems equipped with analytics capabilities enable organizations to track key performance indicators, KPIs, for workforce development and business growth. Internal considerations for system selection. Choosing the right HR system is a critical decision, and a variety of internal factors unique to each organization influence it. Before making a selection, it's important to conduct an internal audit to understand your organization's specific needs, resources, and strategic goals. The following are some of the key internal considerations to evaluate: company size and structure. The size and complexity of your organization significantly influence your HR system choice. A small business may require only a basic HRIS for employee records, whereas a large multinational might need a comprehensive HCM solution with global compliance, multi-currency payroll, and advanced analytics, depending on its organizational structure. Human resources processes and workflow. Understanding your organization's current HR processes and workflows is essential when choosing an HR system. Automating and standardizing these processes maximizes the system's value. For example, if recruitment and talent management are priorities, investing in an HR system with a robust ATS module is crucial. Conversely, if compliance is paramount, an HRIS with strong auditing features is beneficial. Budget and resources. HR systems vary in price based on complexity, features, and deployment models, cloud-based or on-premises. It's crucial to align your choice with your budget and resources. A sophisticated HCM may be appealing, but could be unnecessary or unaffordable for smaller organizations, especially considering ongoing costs like updates and training. Employee and stakeholder buy-in. The success of an HR system hinges on employee and stakeholder adoption. Effective change management is essential, particularly when replacing manual processes. Engaging employees for feedback and involving them in the selection process fosters smoother transitions. Compliance with legal requirements, such as GDPR, is also crucial for managing personal data responsibly. Scalability and future-proofing. Finally, considering the scalability of an HR system is vital for long-term success. Organizations often choose systems that only meet current needs, overlooking future growth. Selecting a scalable system that allows for additional modules or seamless integration with other applications ensures that the organization can adapt as it expands over the next 5 to 10 years. Types of HR software. The HR software market is diverse, with solutions designed to handle specific HR functions or integrate multiple HR processes into one platform. Understanding the categories of HR software available is crucial for selecting the right system that meets your organization's unique requirements. Below are some of the most common types of HR software. HRIS, Human Resources Information System. An HRIS is essential for managing employee data, payroll, and compliance, serving as a central database for records. This basic HR software automates administrative tasks like time tracking, benefits management, and performance appraisals. For many UK businesses, an HRIS is crucial for complying with employment laws and managing employee records in accordance with GDPR. HCM, Human Capital Management. HCM software enhances the basic functionalities of an HRIS by integrating strategic elements such as talent management, learning and development, and succession planning. Designed to nurture and develop employees, HCM systems provide insights into employee engagement. In the UK, where talent retention is a competitive advantage, these systems help design programs to improve retention and performance. ATS, Applicant Tracking System. An ATS is a specialized HR software that focuses on recruitment, managing the entire process from posting job ads to screening candidates and tracking their progress. In the UK, where regulations like the Equality Act 2010 are crucial, an ATS ensures recruitment processes remain fair, transparent, and legally compliant. Payroll software. Payroll software automates wage and salary payments, ensuring accuracy and timeliness. It manages tax calculations, pension contributions, and deductions. In the UK, compliance with HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, regulations is essential, making payroll software a vital part of any HR system. Cloud-based solutions are increasingly popular, offering real-time updates on tax laws and regulatory changes. HR analytics software. HR analytics software focuses on leveraging employee data to provide insights into workforce trends. This can include tracking metrics like employee turnover, training effectiveness, and productivity. In the UK, HR analytics software is especially valuable for organizations that want to make data-driven decisions in line with their strategic goals. HR, data management and security. HR data is among the most sensitive information an organization handles, making its management and security critical for compliance with UK regulations, particularly under GDPR. GDPR imposes strict rules on collecting, processing, and storing employee data, with severe penalties for non-compliance. This prioritization of HR data management and security is especially crucial for UK organizations managing large volumes of personal information. A primary aspect of HR data management is ensuring data accuracy and integrity. Employee information is continually updated due to changes in personal details, payroll, or performance metrics. An effective HR system must ensure all updates are recorded accurately and consistently. Maintaining precise data is vital not only for operational efficiency, but also for legal compliance, as inaccuracies could lead to penalties under employment law or GDPR. Regarding data security, encryption and access control are essential measures. HR systems should employ encryption to safeguard sensitive information, such as national insurance numbers, bank account details, and health records. Access to this data should be role-based, ensuring only authorized personnel can view or edit sensitive information. Many HR systems now incorporate built-in security features, including two-factor authentication and audit trails, to prevent data breaches and ensure accountability. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. HR technology encompasses various digital tools designed to improve efficiency and accuracy in HR operations. HRIS manages employee data, payroll, and compliance, while HCM includes strategic elements like talent management. Automation and AI streamline tasks like payroll and recruitment, freeing HR professionals for strategic work. GDPR imposes strict rules on employee data collection, processing, and storage, with penalties for non-compliance. Encryption, access control, and disaster recovery plans are essential for securing sensitive HR data. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.